Hi, I noticed a lot of students are having questions about things that I think I've answered with some comments, so I wanted to show you where to see the comments on assignments in Canvas. So I pulled up a Canvas course or a Canvas dashboard from classes I've taken, and I'm just going to open up one of my classes just like you would. And if you click over here on grades, it'll bring up a list of all of the grades and assignments you have, and then any that have this little dialog box here, if you click on that, there will be comments listed there. So on a lot of kids, I've given some notes on how I broke down their island map points, and there are some specifics there that I want you to look at because you can redo that assignment and add the parts that are missing. So please make sure you look at your comments there so you can improve your score if you didn't get an awesome one to start with. Thanks. Bye.